Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have Kylie Jenner cross with Bratz, and these are blind boxes. They have two mini collectibles inside. I'm assuming one is a Bratz doll that looks like Kylie Jenner. I mean, why else would it say Kylie Jenner cross with Bratz? And I don't know what the second one is. These were by the register at my local Dollarama. They are series 2, so I don't know. Is there a series 1 of Kylie Jenner dolls? I don't know. I'm hoping that because they are small, that this is like a lot of, I've never hoped this, but I'm hoping it's a lot of excess packaging, because I'm wondering if the Kylie doll will fit in my Barbie Land dream house. I haven't opened this yet. I have found where I'm going to set this up in my house because I do want this to be on display. But how cool would it be if we could have a Bratz doll or a Kylie Jenner Bratz doll in Barbie Land? Now, this is the size of Barbie. She is quite small. So I am hoping that the doll won't be too big and that she can join Barbie Land. Wouldn't that be great? I think I'm just going to move these off to the side. I think it would be super fun to have some Bratz dolls in with Barbie Land. And I'm hoping, because these are blind bags or blind boxes, that I got 2 different ones because, oh, look at the slide. The last time we did the Totally Tinies, I ended up with 3 of the same. And I mean, okay, it was a teapot, so it was super cute, and I'm glad we did. But those were $1.25, and these I think were like $4. So I really don't want to end up with 2 of the same Kylie Jenner if I can help it. But look at how cute the boxes are. So you got Kylie Jenner, and then you have her as a Bratz doll. It's really sparkly. We got the Bratz lips everywhere, the Bratz logo. Like, it's super cute. And it is from 2023. So it's not that old. Let me know in the comments. Have you seen these? I don't know. Did you see these when they first came out? Were these at Toys R Us or... Can't get the tag off. In the US, were they at Target, Walmart? Like, where were these originally sold? I think I am going to need my scissors. Did I bring my scissors? No! Okay. Let's just rip it open. I don't know. I'm not going to try to save the boxes because I can't think, there it goes, of a craft that I would use the boxes for. I can't even get it open. Okay. Okay, this is cute. I wasn't sure. Okay, you're going to have to open. Okay, I see. All right. I tried to open it from the top. That's my mistake. Look at the shape of it. How would it come out from the top? Okay. So we need, see if I can use my nail. There. Now can I get it open from the bottom? Oh my goodness. Okay. Now, push. And then the box goes flat. Okay. So, lesson learned. Look at the shape of the object. You remember those toys that we had when we were little and you matched the shape? Clearly today is the day I need to match the shapes. So here is the packaging. Now it does say on the box, I did see this, which I'm impressed with, is to recycle. But the cardboard would be recycle. The plastic wrap would not. If this is already in plastic, in cardboard, why? At least it has a pull tab. Like, blind bags are fun, but let's try to be environmentally cautious too, right? You know, I don't like, none of these things ever work. Look at this. There is clearly a zipper there. Okay, never mind. That time it worked. Let's get all the plastic off. Okay. This is cute. This is really cute. Look at the detail. Do you see all the detail? That's like vinyl on top. On the back, it says Mini Bratz. Okay. I like this. I really like this. Let's open the bottom one. Oh, that one just peeled. I think that one could have been the first one. But how do you get... Oh, pull. Pull. You just have to pull. There's the second one. Let's just get the cardboard mess out of the way. Let's just get it out of the way. Sorry for my arm. Let's see. These are cute. These are, like, I don't know what you would do with the casings afterwards. Normally, you would have some sort of idea, right? With the home ones and the mini brown balls, you can make them into snowballs and ornaments. Like, what would you do with this? Unless, is this the stand? Okay. Move that one. We're going with this one. It comes apart. Super cute. The stuff is in paper. So this is recyclable. Big chunk of paper. Is this the stand? What is this? Do you see this? This is a bee. Is this the stand? How do you get that out of there? I don't know how you get that out of there. Okay. Let's open it up. Oh, I am so excited now. I am dropping things. Okay. Hey, there's Kylie Jenner. Okay. She looks good as a Bratz doll. That's a cute little poster. Okay. So it says there are a lot of them actually. 6. This one has makeup. From the lip kits. Okay, these are super cute. But it doesn't tell me on the collector guide what you actually are supposed to do with this. Let's get this side out too. Okay. It's another bee there. Like, okay, so when they're together, what do you do with this? You can't even, oh, you can pop it out. Okay. I don't know what you would do with this afterwards. I don't know. Move it off to the side. Let's just keep on going. I like that these are in paper. Okay, this one's already partly ripped. Let's just open it. Oh my God, I love this. Look, it's like mini brands. It is the makeup table and the stool, and it's in a doll box. I think this is too big for Barbie. Let me see. This might be too big for Barbie. Not for Barbie to sit on, but as like a Barbie dollhouse accessory. Oh, maybe. Oh, maybe. This would be perfect. Do I have a Chelsea? I don't have a Chelsea. Oh my gosh. Okay, I did not bring Chelsea. Okay, but I brought Kelly. I have a Kelly with me. Look at this. Picture this. You're playing Barbie or you're setting up a photo shoot for Christmas or something, and Chelsea opens up this gift and it is a Bratz playhouse. This might have to do with Barbie. I think it's going to be too big for Barbie land. Let me see. Where's the house? Yeah, that's going to be too big. Look, it's going to take up the whole space. But let me do that so you can actually see it. Right? It's going to take up too much space. But they might be able to go into the Barbie land display. Or keeping it in the box. Oh my gosh, that would be so adorable. That means this is the doll. Guys, look at the doll. She's in the package like a Bratz. She's in a Bratz package. My gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay, where's this one with the car? Because this one has the Barbie. Yeah. When you compare, she is bigger than the Barbie. But not by much, huh? She's just wider. And okay, so she might actually work in Barbie land or complete change of plans. And these would be perfect for a Barbie gift-giving photo shoot, anything along those lines. Chelsea's birthday, and she's opening up her own Bratz doll and Bratz playhouse. I think this would be not right scale for your American Girl dolls. It would just be too small, but these would work for your Barbie mini land or for your Chelsea. I do have a Chelsea. You know what? Do I have a Chelsea? Do I have a Chelsea? I don't think I have a Chelsea. I wish I had brought Chelsea with me. I didn't think it was going to be something that would fit. I thought it was only going to be for this doll. But you know what? Like, just picture this. These would be so perfect for a Barbie Christmas. I am not, or whatever gift giving, I am not going to actually take them out of the package. I think they look like they're just too perfect as is. I love it. And the paper is recyclable. I don't know what you would do with these. Like, I don't know, maybe like in the background. I don't know. I'm just too excited by the fact that these are in actual packaging. I love it. Let's do the second one. You know, we should actually check. So we got this one. Look number 10. And it just says look number 10. Okay, cool. But it doesn't show the furniture. Where's the furniture? Oh, and we got the vanity. So you get this with this. So there's only 6 of them. Okay, maybe we have a good shot at not getting a double. Let's get this one open. Let's get this one open. Seriously? Like, what do you do with these? Make bee necklaces? I don't know. I love this, though. Let's get this open. Let's do this one square. So this is a different shape. No. It's the motorcycle. Oh, my gosh. The motorcycle. Oh, my goodness. Look at the detail, like even the back of the packaging. We have to set up for a photo shoot some sort of Barbie birthday party or do you remember how I originally, at one point in time way back, I said I wanted to make a Barbie toy store on the shelf, entire Bratz section. I'm actually going to go to the store and look for more of these. What do you guys think? Would you go back and get more? All right, let's open the doll. Let's open the doll because it is a different one. Oh, look at this doll. Look at this. She's got the sunglasses doing like a Sabrina Carpenter with her head over the shoulder. Look at how cute. So what is this one? This is look 12. So we got look 10, look 12. We got the motorcycle and the vanity. Oh, there's a phone booth. I don't know if I like the chair. What's this? That's the couch. Oh my gosh. Okay. I want to go back and look for more of these. I wish, you know what? I do. Oh, let me see. Hold on. Do I have a Chelsea? Let me see. Do I have, you know what? I do have a Chelsea. Okay. So now we've seen them with like the Kelly doll. If you have like a vintage photo shoot going on. Perfect. Perfect. I do have a Chelsea. She is, I don't know. She's wearing something, but let's compare it to the Chelsea. So here's a Chelsea and here's a Kelly. We know the size difference, right? Okay, hold her arms out. Look at her holding the doll. Is that too big for scale? Is that like, this almost feels like it would be an American Girl doll, not a Barbie doll for them or a Bratz doll for them. But, I mean, for like actual Barbie, they would be the right size, right? Right? Like if I hold it up to Barbie, it would be the right size. Where's Ken? If Ken were to like bring this to Chelsea, right? Like that's the right size for him. So, I mean, it could work. I absolutely adore these. Good job, Kylie Jenner and Bratz for the collab. These are like, again, look at the displays. It even has the lips, the details. I mean, the drawers aren't going to open. It's too tiny. But look at the details. Like there's so many details on, I'm afraid I can't get it back in the package, of the motorcycle. This is just, look at the dolls. Like these are fantastic. I don't know. I wish I had known about these earlier. These are amazing. Let me know in the comments if you have these. Do you use them for your Barbies? Did you incorporate them into Barbie land? I mean, it would be cool if they were. I know they had a rivalry going on, but how cool would that be in your own little mini Barbie land? Or did you give these to your 18-inch dolls? I really think that the 18-inch doll, let me move these, are going to be too big, right? Like, I don't think, here's her. Like, just look at her head and holding it to scale. I mean, maybe, but I think on an 18-inch doll, these are just, like, Barbie fits in the palm of her hand, right? Like, it's too small. When I hold a Barbie, Barbie's big in my hands. I think it's not to scale for your 18-inch dolls, but I think they would be more for your Barbies, your Chelseas, or your Barbie land. Let me know in the comments what you've done with these. If you've seen these, do you just have these on display? Like maybe we just put them on display. I don't know, but they are super, super cute. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe because we are almost at 500 subscribers. Thank you, everybody.